Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today, I'll be showing you how to make cookies at home. It is a simple recipe that anyone can do. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you try it out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so and let's get started. So the first step is to cream margarine and sugar together, and I'm using a half cup margarine and a half cup icing sugar. You can use powdered sugar or any other sugar that you've got at hand. So a half cup for each of them. Just beat that at low speed until the mixture is fluffy. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, or you can use any flavor of your choice. You do not have to use vanilla essence, just use whatever flavor you like and whatever you've got at hand. And in between the beating, be sure to use a spatula just to scrape all the ingredients from the sides of the bowl to ensure that they are all mixed into the mixture. And that is a 1/4 cup corn flour and 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. Just sift it and then continue beating to make the cookie dough. And the cookie dough is ready after mixing everything together. And if you do not have an electric mixer, you can use a whisk or even a spatula to do the whole recipe. And once it's ready, the next step is to transfer the cookie dough to a piping bag, because we are going to pipe the dough onto the baking tray. You can see the dough is thick, it is not light. It's very thick and hard, but not so hard. Just put the nozzle. I'm going to use 1mm nozzle. Put it into the piping bag and then just place into a glass, and then now add the dough. And after that, now just pipe it onto the baking tray, whatever sizes and whatever shapes that you like. I'm just going in with a simple shape that is so easy to pipe. And after that, after piping all the dough, it is ready to bake. I baked at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, they are ready. Allow the cookies to cool completely so that they can be crunchy. Just look at that. So simple to make, you guys. They were so delicious, so crunchy. I love them so much. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you try it out. And thank you so much if you have watched my video to this far. I appreciate so much.